The vast majority of brothers who have urine incontinence are delusional. This is the whispers of shaitan. Shaitan is playing with them. There are ground rules. 1, you're not allowed to go every 5 minutes to check on yourself. You're not allowed to squeeze your private part or to squeeze your muscles during or after urinating just to ensure that there is not a single drop left. You're not allowed to jump in the bathroom, as so many people do in the toilet after finishing urinating, just to ensure that nothing is left. And definitely, you are not allowed to become obsessed by the issue of purity when people since the time of Adam, peace be upon him, urinate normally and answer the call of nature normally. Satan is messing up with your mind. Sheikh, but I have this feeling. But this feeling is from shaitan. He's laughing his head off because of what he is making you do. So what to do? Generally speaking, men and women, once you go and answer the call of nature, take your time. Meaning, take your time by 3 minutes to 5 minutes max, not half an hour or an hour. And after you finish, simply pour water on your private parts. So you wash it this way. And that's it. No squeezing, nothing that is not natural. And sprinkle some water on your underwear. And then leave. Whenever you get this idea that I feel something is coming out, I feel that there is wetness, tell yourself that this wetness is from what I had sprinkled on my underwear. 2 to 3 days max, you will not have this problem at all. I promise you.